Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. So right now you see in front of me there's my youngest sister. Okay, her name is Elsa Linkhoi, and she is 6 years old, and now she come with me. Okay, so now she carry salt plank in her bag. I think it's around 5 or 6 kg like that. So she's very strong, right? At this very young age, she can carry up to that much, up to 5 or 6 kg of salt plank. So even me also, I carry salt plank in my bag, and yeah, we have to walk. It's a bit far. I think it's around 1 kilometer, so we have to walk around 20 minutes like that. So yeah, it's very tired, but then there is no other choice because there is no route. We have to walk in the off route in the jungle. That's why. Okay, now we are on the way. See the nature. Okay, that is the field that we plant the salt plank. Okay, so actually this salt plank we still practice the shifting cultivation, zooming cultivation. Actually it's not good for shifting cultivations, but then I don't know why the people here who live in my village, they are still doing that, because I think this plant, it will be more good if we plant, you know, shifting from one place to another place, new place. I think it is not good to plant in the same place. I think 2 or 3 times. I think because of that. Anyways, it's very tired. Okay, even me also, I carry some plant in my bag. I think this one is around 45 kg, 40 kg I think. So yeah. Yeah, 40 kg like that I think. So it's not near, that's why carrying only 40 kg or so, it's not easy at all, because it's very far. And one thing also, it's the route, the way also, it's not plain. Okay, it's up and down. That's why yeah, it's very difficult to carry salt plank. Okay guys, have a look this video. You will see the hard work or the difficulties here in our village, how the people face difficulties. You have to work hard. There's no proper road, and not only that, also actually the road also not connected from one field to another